metric to metric. Because we have worked in the process of just moving the decimal instead of having to memorize all of the different conversions. The rule that you're going to use on this one is whatever you would do for area, because of that 2, you're going to do it twice. So you would do it again. For volume, because of that little cubed or that 3, whatever you would do, you'll do 3 times. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice this concept. So if I look at this first one, before when we would convert meters to centimeters, we would go ahead and go meters to centimeters, and we would count how many places we'd have to move our decimal and in what direction. So meters, we would go 1, 2 places to the right. So because we are working with this squared or this 2, whatever we would do that twice. So originally this is what I had. My decimal sitting there since it's not shown. I already said I'm going to go 2 places. So 1, 2. There's my first set. I'm going to do that again. 1, 2. There's my second set for my squared. Okay, so now I'm going to put zeros where I have those bumps. Okay, so now when I look at this, 30 meters squared is the same as 300,000 centimeters squared. And I'm just trying to explain to you how to do this based on the way that we have learned how to convert US to metric. If you want to work with the actual, well, there's 100 centimeters and a meter, you can do that process too. And then you go ahead and you work off of just like we did in the US to US by squaring that conversion. To me, I like to move the decimals, and I know everything's based on 10, so that's why I choose to just go ahead and use this method. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, that little squared is indicating to us how many times we have to do our little conversion. So here I'm doing hectometers. That's what I started with, to meters, to meters. So normally I would go 1, 2 places to the right. So my decimal currently is here. And I'm going to go 2 places, 1, 2. Now, because we're working with this squared, I'm going to do that again. So that was my first set. I'm going to do that again, 1, 2. That's my second set. So I'm going to put zeros where these bumps are, like those empty spaces. So I just found out that 0.5 hectometers is the same as 5,000, sorry, hectometers squared is the same as 5,000 meters squared. Okay. All right, so I want you to pause the video and try this one. So go ahead and pause your video, give yourself a chance to work through this one, and then check back. Okay, when you did this one, you should have ended up with 0.003 meters squared.